Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig for you guys from Jessie's Wigs. I'm so excited about this one. It's another blonde wig. You guys know I love blonde wigs. I have such a hard time, like I love the color blonde on me, but I have such a hard time to get there and just like to manage it and like keep up with it and all that stuff. So whenever I receive a blonde wig, I am so excited. Last time I received a wig from this company, the hairline just looked so good. So I'm so excited to share this one with you. Now, if you guys are a beginner to wigs, you know nothing about wigs, you don't know how to make them look realistic, hi, my name is Jasmine, and I'm here to help you out with that. I love showing you guys on my channel how to make wigs look more realistic and how to apply them, how to lay them down. And this tutorial is gonna be exactly that. This is gonna be a bob wig install for beginners tutorial. This is definitely going to be your best friend if you don't know how to apply bob lace wigs. I'm gonna share with you exactly how to do that with this one here. So let's open it up. All right, so the packaging is definitely different. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You open it up, you have all of their details right here. So if you wanna go check them out on social media, to contact them, it's all above. And then inside, you actually have this curved type of comb. So this comb right here is so good for wigs. It really helps keep the hair looking fresh and good. You really want a tool that's gonna help you and not actually damage the hair. I also received these wig caps. Then they gave me this melting band. So let's get into the wig. So I have the wig right here. This is 12-inch. She is human hair. And she's supposed to have like a dark root, which that always scares me because I'm always thinking in my head, oh my gosh, is this gonna be like a black root? But she doesn't have a black root. You guys can see right away. It's not a black root. It's a natural looking root. She is 12 inches. I already went ahead and curled her just a tad bit because I know what style I want to do for today and I needed to give her a little bit of a boost. I'll put it right here onto the screen what exactly I did. So I just took a curling iron and kind of curled her like all the hair back, so this way it gave a lift. So this way when I was wearing it, I had this nice big lift into the back. So let's put her on. I'm gonna put the wig cap that they provided. I'm gonna put the deluxe wig cap. They had this into the box. I'm just going to put this on, and I like to actually slide it a little bit back because I don't like what it looks like sometimes in the middle of the lace. You guys can see when I put my hand, you can see the color of my hand in the middle of the lace. And so whenever you have like a wig cap and you put these on top, sometimes you can see that line of the wig cap. But this is great if you don't have hair underneath of your wig, then this is going to be perfect because it's gonna show your bare scalp instead of like a wig cap. Okay, so let's put her on and see what she looks like. I didn't adjust her or anything because I don't know how she's gonna fit without me adjusting it. So I'm just gonna keep it unadjusted and let's try it on. Oh no, I can tell right away I need to adjust it a little bit tighter. Okay, this is what the wig is looking like on. I just did a short right now and I am so excited about this wig. It is so pretty. I'm just going to focus. This is going to be so easy to make it look natural. It looks so good. The way that they do pre-plucked their wigs in the hairline section, and it just looks so real. It looks like it's an actual, like, you know, hairline instead of it just looking straight across. They do so good at plucking their hairlines. I never have an issue with that. This is really looking good. And I'm going to show you how to cut the lace because this lace is already see-through. It's really good. It's really well done. And I'm going to see what it looks like whenever we cut it. If you guys don't know how to cut lace, the most important thing ever, if you guys know how to cut lace, like then, you know, let me know a few notes in the section. I love to hear little tips and tricks if you guys have any. I love just like advancing my technique. But if you guys don't know how to cut your lace and you guys are looking to learn how, what I like to do, my technique is I love to go in with little baby scissors. Really sharp baby scissors. This is so important. I have never looked at, you know, larger normal hairdressing scissors again after I received these because they are so sharp and so precise and they get really in there and I just don't have any mess ups anymore when I use these. So we're gonna go in and you can make a few little cuts. This way you can work like one section at a time. And go right here, another one, and then we're gonna cut each section. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna just follow the hairline. I'm then going to push this hair up, make sure none of my actual hair is showing and that the other hair is pushed from the wig so that doesn't get cut on accident. If it does, it's not a really big deal. You're just gonna create little baby hairs. We're gonna do that and then cut this section. Right here, I'm gonna come up where my ear is. And I'm just gonna cut this like that. Take my ear out and see if it's comfortable. If it is, I'm just going to leave that.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love like it. I don't know why I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worry that it won't be enough. Yeah. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why.
The lace is lifting a little bit here, but that's where we use Gotta Be glue spray, and then you just spray that down and it goes away completely. You can even use some mousse, and that's going to make sure that this lace doesn't lift at all. But you guys can see when I press it against my skin, it blends. Let me go really close and show you guys. Look at that. This is the lace right here. Okay, to keep it in place, we're definitely gonna go in with a little bit of Gotta Be glue spray. This is just some spray that you can get at the pharmacy or just Walmart or anything like that. You can even get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's just a hairspray. That's all it is. It's just super gluey and sticky, and you can wash it off. So whenever it's on your lace, you can wash it off afterwards in the sink with water. It's that simple. It's not going to ruin the lace. It's not going to do anything like that. You just spray it onto your forehead. You lay the lace down into it, and you use a hair dryer, and you just leave that there for like 2 seconds, even 10 seconds, and the lace is going to melt into your skin. You are not going to be able to see that lace anymore. This is the secret to not having a visible lace. The lace, of course, is already like invisible. You cannot see it right now. I can't see it into my monitor. I cannot see the lace, but what I can see is when I'm lifting, I can see that lace lifting as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some Gotta Be glue spray. Spray it right on the forehead. And we're gonna lay that lace down onto exactly where we want it to stay and stick. And I'm gonna go get a hair dryer and I'm going to hair dry this. Once I blow dry it, sometimes what happens is that the hair gets all stuck to my forehead. And so what I like to do is I take one of these, and this just has this like really nice bristle on the end, and this gets rid of the glue and makes the hair kind of come back to life. So what I'll do is I'll go in that section, I'll brush the hair down first, and it kind of fluffs it up. You can see that happening, right? Now all of a sudden you see that line right across. That's why it's so important to have like a lace front wig. It's so nice whenever you have that line. It looks so realistic. If you wanted to, you can even create bangs with this. Then I'm going to brush upwards very lightly because the actual spray is not completely dry yet. I'm just impatient. There you go. It starts to look like it's coming back to life. It's not stuck to my head anymore. And the lace is completely glued down. So if I look up, you're not going to see that lift anymore. Except for right here. Right here, I didn't put any glue. You don't have to put it everywhere. I just like to put it in specific areas that I feel like it's showing a lot. So good. It looks like it's my real hairline. Now I'm going to go in with the wavy talk, and we're going to create a little bit more of a style. I have this style in mind where I kind of want this part to come in, but I want to keep it straight. I don't know how I'm gonna go about this.
I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to give. I don't know why, just can't believe it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Oh, yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. The reason doesn't mean no more. It keeps feeling like everybody keeps winning. The world keeps on spinning, but without me, oh, it keeps feeling like I stay blind to something that everybody else seems to see.
So let me do a 360 for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like in the back of the hair. This is so stunning, guys. I love how full she is and like how cute she is. She's very, very blonde, and if you guys have been wanting a blonde wig, this is definitely it. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked this wig, what you liked about it, and if you got it, let me know. I would love to know if you got it. So anyway, if you guys enjoyed, here are some other Jessie's Wig reviews that I have for you guys if you want to check out more of their hair, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye, guys.